Why you should keep your eyes on the ball during the table tennis serve. Every table tennis player has heard the advice, watch the ball. Yet many players still look at the opponent, the table, or where they want to place the serve instead of focusing on the ball itself. This small mistake can significantly reduce the quality and consistency of your serve. The serve is the only shot in table tennis where you have complete control over the ball. There is no incoming spin or speed from your opponent. Everything depends on your own timing, contact, and precision. This is why keeping your eyes on the ball is one of the most important habits to develop. Your eyes guide your body. The human body naturally coordinates movement through vision. Your brain uses visual information to guide your racket to the exact contact point. If your eyes leave the ball too early, your body loses valuable information. Even a slight error in timing can change the quality of the contact. Many serving mistakes happen because players are already looking toward the opponent before they have actually hit the ball. Great servers stay focused on the ball until the moment of contact. Better timing means better spin. Generating heavy spin is not about swinging harder. It is about brushing the ball at exactly the right moment. When your eyes stay locked on the ball, you can judge the height of the toss, the speed of the falling ball, the exact contact point, the angle of your racket. All of these factors determine how much spin you can produce. Even a difference of 1 or 2 millimeters in contact can completely change the amount of spin on the serve. More accurate ball contact. The racket only touches the ball for a fraction of a second. If your eyes are not focused, you are relying on guesswork. Watching the ball allows you to contact exactly where you intended. This becomes even more important when performing advanced serves such as forehand pendulum serve, reverse pendulum serve, backhand serve, tomahawk serve, fast long serves. Each serve requires slightly different contact points and brushing directions. Better disguise. Many advanced players try to hide the direction and spin of their serve. Ironically, looking at your target too early often gives away your intention. Instead, keep your eyes on the ball throughout the contact. Your body remains more relaxed and your opponent receives fewer visual clues about where the serve is going. Professional players rarely look at the landing position before striking the ball. Their eyes stay on the ball until after contact.
You